Hello and welcome to KDP with a Twist podcast. I'm Tammie Chrin, a self-publishing enthusiast, and I'm dedicated to helping you grow your business by adding a new twist to the KDP self-publishing world. I've been branding booklets for businesses since 2018. I'm the founder of KDP for B2B, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing for business to business. We'll explore how to leverage your KDP self-publishing skills by helping businesses create branded booklets featuring their content. If you're interested in starting and growing your own KDP for B2B business, you've come to the right place. I'll introduce you to a few ways that you can get paid to help businesses create their own branded booklets without keywords or ads. Yes, that's right, without keywords or ads. This is what I call a triple win. The business elevates its brand, adds value to its customers, and stands out from their competition. You get paid a setup fee for each book created, plus you can make money for every book sold. And customers feel as though they have received a gift and something they will use and love. Join me every Tuesday as I will share some practical tips and advice on how you can get your own KDP for B2B adventure started. Are you ready? Let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Tammie Chrin, the host of the KDP with a Twist show. Today we'll be discussing the 3 ways to get paid using the KDP for B2B method. And that stands for Kindle Direct Publishing for business to business, which is the method that you can take your self-publishing skills and turn them into a recurring income stream by branding booklets for businesses. Let's dive in and explore the 3 ways you can get paid using the KDP for B2B method. Firstly, you can charge a setup fee for each booklet created and designed. This fee can be determined based on the complexity of the booklet and the time it's going to take you to create it. You can then invoice the business for the fee and get paid for your services. Secondly, the business booklets are set under your KDP account with an added royalty. The business buys them directly from Amazon and you receive a royalty for each booklet sold. Amazon takes care of the printing, shipping, and the customer's needs. Finally, you can sell the books directly from your KDP account to the business by purchasing authors' copies for them. Remember that when selling booklets directly to the business through the author's copies feature, you should add your royalty to the cost of each book before sending your invoice to the business. This allows businesses to purchase in bulk and, as I like to call it, wholesale pricing. One last thing, let me share important tips about selling author's copies to the business. Make sure you don't order the booklets from Amazon until you have been fully paid. You want to make sure you have been paid before you order any Amazon booklets and have them sent to the business. When shipping the booklets to the businesses via Amazon, it's best practice to click the gift rather than have it the traditional receipt to go out to the business. Then you'll avoid any confusion of why your royalty isn't on that receipt and you have billed them for a royalty. And there's a lot to this, but I hope that gives you a lot of helpful tips on how 3 ways you can get paid. And check out all my other KDP for B2B episodes on talking about different ways to use this method. And go ahead and I'll put this in the show notes, but jump on my email list for sure, and I'll put this PDF in there and make $1,000 a month using the KDP for B2B method. So I'll put that link in there, and then we can stay connected by email, and I'll send out a lot of information on how to use the KDP for B2B method if you're not familiar. But also you can always find me here every Tuesday on the KDP with a Twist show. And thanks for joining me today. All right, have a great day. Bye. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you know anybody else struggling with KDP and not making sales, or even having trouble with ads and keywords, please share KDP with a Twist podcast or have them subscribe to my YouTube channel. At KDP with a Twist podcast, I will be going over lots of strategies every Tuesday, and I'll be putting this information into small chunks, so it'll make it easier to digest. And then you can get started making money with KDP for B2B ASAP. For more information, go to my website. Make sure you get on the email list so you can stay in the loop with all things KDP. My website name is my name, Tammie Chrin. That's it, TammieChrin.com. TammieChrin.com. It'll also be in the transcripts below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. And thank you for your time, and bye for now.